In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable third-party cookies on Shopify. This is an important topic for any Shopify store owner who wants to ensure that all website functionalities, including analytics and marketing integrations, work seamlessly. We'll be discussing how to adjust your settings to allow these cookies, which are crucial for tracking user behavior and offering a personalized online shopping experience. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser. It's worth noting here that while most browsers have a similar process for enabling cookies, there might be small variations, so always double-check with your specific browser's documentation if something feels off. For today's example, I'll be using Google Chrome, which is one of the most commonly used web browsers. Once your browser is open, head over to the top right corner of the window where you'll find 3 vertical dots, sometimes referred to as the More button. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. It's important to familiarize yourself with these settings, as they offer a range of customization options for your browsing experience. In the Settings menu, you will see a search bar at the top. This is a powerful tool that helps you navigate settings quickly. Type Cookies into the search bar and press Enter. Immediately, you'll see the Cookie Settings option appear. Click on it to access your cookie preferences. Now that you're in the Cookies section, locate the Allow All Cookies option and click on it. By choosing this option, you're allowing all cookies, including third-party cookies, to be stored in your browser. If you're concerned about privacy but still want to enable third-party cookies, you might consider exploring other options that offer more granular controls, such as block third-party cookies in incognito, to strike a balance between functionality and privacy. Moving forward, let's ensure these settings are working correctly with Shopify. Head over to your Shopify admin page and log in with your credentials if you haven't already. It's always a good idea to verify if changing the browser's cookie settings reflects immediately on Shopify. Navigate through your analytics or marketing integrations, and keep an eye out for any notifications or areas that were previously giving you trouble. If everything appears to be running smoothly, you've successfully enabled third-party cookies for Shopify. And there you have it, a simple way to enable third-party cookies on Shopify. Whether you're improving analytics accuracy or ensuring compatibility with third-party apps, adjusting these settings can have a significant impact on your store's performance. If you're ever in doubt or need to change your settings again, just revisit these steps. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or explore our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Shopify store.